You have entertained yourself in the shower. Your girlfriend is waiting for you to go out to dinner. And surprise! The remote control battery ran out, but you discover that it has a hidden key. You open the lock manually, press the start button with the remote, and you can start the car and go. So, that this doesn't happen again, today we are going to change the battery of the remote control. The first symptom is that the LED light doesn't turn on when you press the button. So first we take out the key. We are only going to need a mini screwdriver. You have to lever at the 3 points the side of the control. When removing the top, you will see an insulating protector of the battery. We also remove it. You will see that the positive of the battery faces us. Don't forget it. This remote has a CR2025 type battery. It costs about €2 or $2.15. Now we repeat the assembly process in reverse. Now we see that the LED light already turns on when the buttons are pressed. Guys, don't forget to recycle the used battery. Very good. Well, I didn't plan to make a video of something so simple, but I thought it might be useful to someone. Don't forget to be happy, guys.